Attracting new customers and building long-term relationships with them is one of the best ways to maintain your company's success for many years. To achieve this, customer service is absolutely essential. According to a study from IDC, 18% of people said that they would continue to purchase their products from a company they had a positive customer service experience with, even if their products were not the cheapest option. Therefore, building customer loyalty is an important part of any marketing plan. With this in mind, let's review some strategies to attract and keep customers. What strategies can you apply to your marketing to attract more customers? In this video, we'll go through the best of them to help you improve your sales and customer satisfaction rate. Let's get started. Number 1 is customer service. One of the main complaints about customer service is that it can be robotic and unnatural, even when the customers are talking to staff members. This is because companies are often set on training their employees to memorize greetings, sales pitches, and apologies, while customers want genuine answers. So our recommendation is that when you talk to your customers, try to make the communication as natural as possible. Be sure to use their names, use humor if appropriate, and always be polite. Showing empathy will help you greatly when it comes to connecting with your clients, because the more complex the problem is, the greater the need for a customer service representative that can actually solve it. Your objective must be to maintain fluid and responsive communication. Listen closely to your customers, because quality communication will be something that sets you apart from the competition. Number 2, know your customers. Like we said in the previous point, it's important to really know your clients. The process of attracting customers has a lot to do with sales. You need to know the name of the person you're talking to, what they are looking for, and even what their pain points and their hobbies are. How can you get all of this information? The key is to continue the conversation after the transaction. For example, if you have a B2B company, you can search for a client's profile on LinkedIn or on their website. Once you have this information, you can start thinking of ways that you can provide value. In today's business environment, the easiest way to differentiate yourself from the competition is through customer experience, not just the products or services that you offer. Giving the client an increasingly personalized experience will help them remember your brand. Number 3, complaints. Improving customer acquisition requires a change in attitude. Instead of thinking about complaints and negative comments as a nuisance, use them as an opportunity to know what your customers really think. It's better for a customer to complain openly than to stop purchasing from you without any explanation. Negative reviews help you improve your services, give you the opportunity to redeem yourself, and help you avoid a possible online reputation crisis. You just have to learn how to handle them correctly. So the next time someone makes a complaint, take it as an opportunity to really solve the problem. It also helps to apologize sincerely, thank the customer for sharing their concerns, and promise only what you can deliver. If everything goes well, you will have managed to keep a customer instead of losing one. Number 4, keep in touch. According to a study from IDC, 67% of consumers and 91% of companies believe that online and mobile services should be faster and more intuitive. To achieve this, you need to make sure to have regular contact with the customer. Creating an ongoing relationship allows you to monitor how people feel about your brand and address potential problems before they surface. Here are some tips to help you get off to a good start. After relevant interactions, follow up by phone, email, or even social media. From time to time, send friendly messages to your customers to remind them that you are still available for them and have special offers. Create valuable content such as articles or videos and circulate them through your newsletter. Send a monthly email or newsletter with your company's news, such as product launches, events, and interesting content. Number 5, trust. If you get your customers to trust you, they will be much more satisfied and likely to be loyal in the long run. To be able to achieve this, be honest and always keep your word. If you promise something to the customer, you better deliver it. Show your good intentions. Many times, trust is broken because the customer feels that the company wants to take advantage of them. And be flexible. As they say, the customer is always right. Even if they aren't, sometimes it's better to give in and see what you can do to work with them. Number 6, inbound marketing. As you may know, outbound marketing is based on going to where the customers are and interrupting their daily life to showcase your products and services. It exists in the form of classic TV ads, banner ads, or spam. However, inbound marketing turns this marketing paradigm upside down. The idea is to attract customers to your website by offering valuable content that serves their needs in return. Through blog articles, videos, ebooks, reports, and more, you can convince users to leave their contact details and become leads. This way, you won't pursue the customers, they will come to you instead. Number 7, loyalty programs. In order to keep customers in the long term, it's important to offer them something to demonstrate how much you value them. One way to do this is through loyalty programs. These programs are a way to to reward the customers who have stood by your brand and may even spread the word about your products or services to their network of friends, family, and acquaintances. There are many different types of loyalty programs, so see what would make the most sense for your business as well as appeal to your customers. Remember that loyal customers spend more than the rest of your customers, so make sure that they are happy with the products and customer service that they receive. These 7 strategies are not the only ones to attract and keep customers, but we feel that they are among the most important. If you want to see successful marketing strategies of the most iconic brands, watch this video over here. You surely will find some inspiration with these examples. Let us know if you enjoyed the video by clicking the like button below and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of the videos we post. See you in the next one.